Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. This is Anthony. Look at this beauty. Yes, it's a Honda Snowblower. A custom built Honda Snowblower. Welcome back folks. Thank you for subscribing to our Honda Snowblower Enthusiast channel on YouTube. Today I'm just going to show you this Honda HS 828 that I built from the ground up, and I made it customized. I call it the USA American Patriot Honda, and I did this last year for a Memorial Day and the 4th of July. So let me show you a little bit about this machine. Here's the augers, which I used Pour 15. I painted the augers with Pour 15. I've mentioned this before. It's an excellent paint. It dries very hard and slippery, and it's just a great way to restore your augers and make them last for years. Then I took the bucket. Now, first of all, the machine I started with was a low hour 828 that I bought from a gentleman that just used it for cleanup duty because he had a plow service, so it had a very few hours on it. So I took the bucket to a powder shop. They powder coated it for me, and this is like 10 times better than paint. It's like coming from the factory. It's a beautiful bucket. Here's the tracks. Look at those tracks and the wheels. They look very, very nice. The engine's very strong. I cleaned out the carburetor and tuned it. And the tank is brand new. It's actually a tank for an 1132 or a 1332. It has a larger capacity than the regular 828 or 928 fuel tank. I decided to put the larger tank on it because it pops out really, really nice. It's got an electric start, as you can see down here. That's your electric starter, and where you plug it in to push the button, it has a work light. Everything is really, really in good condition on this machine. It just works great. Starts right up. The pedal is fine. Everything on this machine is almost like it's brand new. Now I love doing this stuff. I've been making custom Hondas for about 7 years now. You know, I got tired of rebuilding or restoring red Hondas. So I just thought, well, one day I said, well, I can make a different color. You know, so that's what I started doing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's a gold one. A silver Honda. It's kind of hard to see. I think you got some glare. Here's a black and red one. Here's an 80, which is kind of like what I just showed you. Here's a brown Honda. This is one of my favorites. Let's see if I can get the right angle here to show you. This is black cherry. It really pops out in the sun. It's a gorgeous machine. Here's another black Honda. If you look here, it's got a chrome muffler from an HS Honda 80. They used to have chrome mufflers on the 80s. Well, I'll probably get some flack for this one. This is a New England Patriots colors, blue and silver. Silver and blue. Let's see, that's a brown and red one with the black powder coated tank. You know, I made two of these Actually, I made 3 of these. They got the Cub Cadet yellow colors. I really didn't think they were going to be popular, but I sold them very quickly. The wheels are black. I painted the wheels. That took a lot of work because they're plastic wheels, and it took a lot of work getting that right. Here's a fan favorite. Here's a 624. You really can't see from the picture, but this is also black cherry. Custom built drift cutters on it. There's a gorgeous machine. It's gold. It's an 828 also. Gold with the black wheels, the chrome muffler, and the black coated powdered tank. Now this is the first one, the first custom Honda I made. Everything that was red is black, and everything that was black or white is red. That was gorgeous when I finished that. Somebody bought it. There's a gentleman that bought one of my American Patriot Hondas. You know, it's a very, very popular model. I'm the only one in the world that does these, as far as I know. I grew up in the 60s, so this is a cover side from an 80. I did both sides in a hippie type motif, if you call it that. And that's on my 80. So this is my hobby. This is what I love to do. You know what, folks? If you subscribe to the channel, we can help you do this. If you wanted to make a custom Honda, or mainly what we do, we've got over 200 videos on repairs, maintenance, and service. So please subscribe today. I really appreciate you watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.